This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Monica Stevens. Charming home situated on 1.45 acres of beautiful Tennessee countryside. This double-lot home has everything you need: 3 bedrooms west/another room that could be used as a 4th bedroom/office, large flat usable land, and massive workshop/garage. Walk through the front door and into a beautiful living room complete with a huge fireplace. To the left you will find an office/optional 4th bedroom. Down the hall you will find 3 bedrooms including the primary bedroom complete with an ensuite bathroom. White kitchen cabinets and stainless steel appliances complement the open concept kitchen/dining combo. Outside is a massive garage/workshop for all your hobbies/tools. There is plenty of parking for cars, boats, or RVs. Schedule your showing today before someone else falls in love with this beauty. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Stevens at 865-966-1111.